Here is the attacker machine, which is Kali Linux, and on the other side is the victim machine, an Ubuntu server. All we need from the victim machine is the IP address to start the scan and see if it uses the SSH protocol and whether it's open or not. There are many ways to scan the victim using Nmap. But here we will focus on hacking devices via the SSH protocol, which is we gonna open the terminal in Kali Linux and type nmap space dash sv, then paste the IB victim and hit enter. The command nmap is v service version detection. It perps open ports to determine what service is running and its specific version number, identifying the exact version of OpenSSH, and that's the IP target address purposes to gain precise information about the software running on the target, which is helping identifying specific vulnerabilities associated with those versions. Brute force attack on SSH Hydra, the tool used to perform the attack. -I ninja specific a single username ninja to attack. -B pass text uses a worded list of passwords from the file pass.txt. SSH provide with the IP address sets the target protocol SSH and the target IP address. T4 sets the number of parallel connection threads to 4. -VV enables every verbose mode to show every login attempt user pass in real time. There is something I want you to know. Running a large word list may take several days to crack the correct password. Once the password is found, it will be displayed in green. Once the tool gives you the username and password, you have technically breached the device. However, you still need to exploit the access to gain full control. Type this command SSH ninja at and provide the IP victim. SSH stands for Source Shell, the protocol used for encrypted remote connection. Ninja, the username obtained from the brute force attack. And when you provide the IP address and hit enter, it will ask you for password. Type the password that will in a green color. And now, congratulations, you have full access to the system. To make sure, type uptime. The uptime command shows how long the system has been running, the correct time, number of users, and system load. uname-e. The command displays all system information at once, including the kernel name, host name, kernel release, version, and machine hardware architecture. But let's ask the victim about me. Who am I? And now on the other side, we will move to victim system to check if there is any suspicion behavior. And here we can check if there is any suspicion behavior is running on the victim operating system through the logs. But what if I wanted to add a file or a normal text on the victim's operating system? Just in the terminal type echo, which means copy, and put your message inside, and then hack the text, and then hit enter. Now let's go to the victim device. If we open the folder files, we will find the messages that we left from the Kali Linux. Also, if you want to know how to protect your server from this attack, watch this video and it will help you to activate the firewall. This video for educational purposes. Please do not use this for any illegal activity.